Oh, you got to do that again.
Dad, did you see that?
Do that again.
People watching my car.
Nice.
Oh, what? I didn't make it.
It's working out.
2. Whoa, this is sick, Dad.
Don't keep the fans waiting.
I'm gonna try doing a backflip.
Nice landing.
Dad, did you see that?
Never
Dad,
saw a better landing.
if you stop the throttle, the nose starts diving in.
It does.
Yeah.
Ouch! Oh! Oh!
Oh! I did a front flip. Don't stand in the way how you were.
You think the driver's okay?
Yeah, he's perfect.
He is. Oh, I'm sure he got killed.
Stop saying that. You're making my driver feel scared.
Okay, you better take him to the infield medical center. Nice jump.